Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM clone 2004 Form 5 Chapter 6 Permutations and Combinations at Maths question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. The diagram below shows 5 cards of different letters. So as you can see here, these are the 5 cards of different letters where you have letter P, O, W, E and R, which forming the letter power over here. Okay, continue to read the question part A. Find the number of possible arrangements in a row of all the cards. Okay, question A is without restriction. Okay, let me continue to read the question part B now. Find the number of these arrangements in which the letters O and E are side by side. Okay, so this is the overall question, guys. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to discuss SPM clone 2004 Form 5 Chapter 6 Permutations and Combinations at Maths question now. Alright, let us start to discuss the question part A now. Okay, the question part A asks to find the number of possible arrangements in a row of all the cards. Okay, since question A does not have any restriction, okay, it will be very straightforward for us. So let us start to solve question part A. Okay, so number of possible arrangement will be equals to 5 factorial. Okay, since you have 5 cards of different letters and there is no restriction, so you just calculate 5 factorial over here. So from here 5 factorial will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you calculate this. So this will be your answer, guys. So you have 120 possible arrangements within the 5 cards of different letters. Okay, so this is your answer for the question part A. So let me proceed to the question part B now. Alright, let us discuss the question part B now. Okay, for the question part B, there is the conditions applied, guys. Okay. So how are we going to solve the question part B? So let us take a look now. Okay, so the number of possible arrangements will be 2 times with 3 factorial. Okay, since your letter O and letter E will be narrowed down to 2, so for you write here 2, and then with the remaining 3 letters you can permutate each other. So that's why you have here 3 factorial. Okay, why you have to times by 4? Okay, please hold on, guys. I'm going to explain this later on. So for now, you just follow me with this working. So 2 times 3 factorial, and this answer you times with 4. So 2 times with 3 factorial, you should get 12, and 12 times with 4, you should end up getting 48. Okay, regarding the times 4 over here, okay, I'm going to show you the reason now. Okay, remember that I've mentioned in the question that letter O and E must be side by side. Okay, so I'm going to show you the number of possibilities of letters O and E can be positions. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. Okay, so take a look at here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start from here, and then followed by from here and from here. So this will be your first situation. Okay, in your first situation, as you can look over here, your letter O and letter E fulfill in the first position, which is the position number 1 and position number 2. Okay, this is your first case. So your letter O and letter E can be either in front. So that's why you narrow down into 2 possibilities. But then over here, you can permutate the remaining letters, which is except O and E. Okay, other than letter O and E, that's why you are having here 3 factorial. Okay, so this is the first case, and the second case, it will fulfill the second space and third space over here, and you're left with space 1, space 4 and space 5. So that's why you permutate this. Okay, and the same things go here. Okay, you shift the letter O and letter E behind, so from here it move into third and fourth. Okay, and then you permutate the first, second and fifth. Okay, and the last case will be letter O and letter E will be the space 4 and space 5. Okay, the first 3 letters you permutate them. So these are the 4 possible cases, guys, where you can have letters O and E are side by side. Okay, so that's why I times by 4. So this is the justification of the working, guys, of the question part B. So I hope you understand the question that I've explained to you. So usually this type of question, the first part, they won't be having any restriction. So that's why it will be straightforward for you to solve. And the second part, you really need to think a bit since they will have some conditions applied. But then if you write down the step-by-step working, okay, I'm sure that you can able to solve them. Okay, if you can't straight away do the mathematical working, it's okay for you to do this step first. Okay, so let me pull down the question for your reference. Alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also, not to forget to share this video, guys. Alright, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.